Sa mga kabibili pa lang ng alto saxophone and yung mga estudyante ko ng saxophone and yung nag-aaral ng saxophone, ito yung pinakamadaling Christian song, no? Usually, 1 oras kaya nyo nang maaral to, or less than. So, ito yung tutorial ko. So, ang gamit ko pala dito is yung 14,000 na alto saxophone and yung aking signature na metal mouthpiece. Open na pala yung Saxophone Shop Manila na nasa loob ng aming coffee shop. Yun. So may mga mouthpiece, may mga soprano, alto, tenor, and also coffee shop. So pwede kayo mag-relax dito.